welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you enable macro in Excel. So let's start the video. First of all, open up your Excel sheet, enter all your data, and after entering all the data you have to open up your files, open up the options, and in options you have number of options. Again, you have to tap on the Trust Center, tap on Trust Center settings, and it will show you these options and informations. Scroll a little down and tap on macro settings. After opening it, you can see the option of enable all macros. Just tap it and enable it, and then tap on OK, and your macros will be enabled on your Excel. It is a very easy and a very simple process. I hope you like the video, and I hope this video helped you in any way. By following these steps you can enable macro in Excel. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.